Hi friends, good morning everyone. Jai Bhim. This is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, just now I came on social media for giving the message for talk about the one inhuman incident was registered from the Nalgonda district and Miryalguda town, Mallepalli and Gurrampod Mandal, Junutulam village. Therefrom one incident was registered from. That one is a not a normal incident. Really, that one is a one shocked and one inhuman incident was registered. Really, I am sad about that incident. What is that means? In the nutshell, we will completely talk about discuss about the incident. RMP poisons and rapes women. What is mean by that? Where we are? What is going on day to day? What happening? Really, I am sad and first of all, heartily I am sending my condolence to victim and I am expressing regret to their bereaved family members. I mean, one RMP doctor. RMP means registered medical practitioner. Actually, who is the victim? Her name Jyoti, Mankena Jyoti, and who is the culprit? His name Mahesh. He is a RMP doctor. Actually, what happened means Jyoti, she coming from the Miryalguda towards their village, which is that village Junutula village. She coming from the Miryalguda to their village. That time she hadn't the bus. That time she called to her husband multiple time. After then she given the information about the her situation. I was aborted. One person, he belonged to our village. He was a the RMP doctor. His name Mahesh. I aborted his vehicle. Like that she given. When her way, when she going to her way, that time he who is the culprit, he met him, and after then she aborted his vehicle. That time what he had to do, actually the Jyoti aborted his vehicle, who is the culprit Mahesh, RMP doctor. Actually he had to drop her their village, but he hadn't. But he did the major mistake, not a normal mistake. When they on their way, the time he bought her the isolated area, and that time he forcibly assaulted with the sexual assault, and he first of all given the water with the pesticide, and after then when she was went unconscious, the time the time he given the injection also, pesticide injection, to the her two arms, two hands. Then multiple time he sexually assaulted, and he left her middle of the road. That time the passerby, who are the passerby, they found her, and they given the information to police officials. The polices they were came with rushly, and they brought to her the hospital, the Mallepalli, the Devarkonda hospital. Devarkonda hospital, the government hospital. The government doctors, they were said immediately transferred to the Hyderabad Usmania hospital due to the critical situation. Her critical situation, when they were brought to her the Hyderabad, the middle of the treatment, she was died. Then after, when the incident knew, the family members, her husband given the complaint to the police station. The police, they were registered the case. Her husband name is Srinivas Reddy, the Mankina Srinivas Reddy. You mean in the entire the incident, the RMP doctor, he hadn't to do, but he did, and the one woman was died. What is going on? Day to day, the why they are taking the such type of extreme step, and why they are doing, and why they are involving such type of incident and occurrence. Where we are, what is going on, where is the home minister, where is the government, where is the society? Government, the home minister and the ministries, what they are doing? Why they hadn't give the any the counseling and guidance for the avoid such type of incident and issues, and won't involve such type of incident and occurrence, and such type of assaultation and rapes like that. I am really sad about the government, this government. I really saying, heartfully saying, the 1 year before I wasn't to see such like incident and occurrence. Especially our two states, the facing this problem more than more. The rapes, assaultation and murders, the civilians, and who are the minors, they are committing and they are taking the extreme step, and they are murdering. What is going on? Why they hadn't to knew about the what is the aftermath, what is the after situation? Might we can do such type of the issues, any murders, any rape, any assaultation, any issue. After the what is the our situation, which type of we will be face the problem, such like why the all human beings, all civic persons, all are, why they are not thinking, why they are not thought about the after the situation? I am asking one thing, and I am very sad about the society, and entire the what was happened. Really, friends, what is going on? This incident, the her assault, the rape and assaultation, and that one that occurred on the Sunday, last Sunday, the evening time was happened, and that woman was died. What is going on? The why he committed, why he took the extreme step, actually had to drop her, that simply that was completed. But why he did, what is the behind his assaultation and his sexual assaulted? What is the behind the reason? We don't we will knew about that one. First of all, I am demanding to the government, and I am first of all I am demanding to the Nalgonda DSP should be nab him, and should be give the stringent action, should be impose on him stringent action. Won't repeat for, should be take the any incident, any issue as a initiate. First of all, won't repeat for, try the all the police officials should be take the DSP, SP, all are should be take the issue, won't repeat for as a initiate and give the stringent action. This is the good to everyone, won't repeat for. And every village should be the who are the responsible person, and should be give the monthly one set the one take the one meeting, one program monthly once, and should be give the awareness program, and should be give the counseling guidance to everyone in every village. Who are the village person, I am requesting to everyone who are the my friends, my family friends, my sisters and my brothers, my kin and kids, I am requesting heartfully, I am requesting to everyone, please, not only government, not only the officials, not only department, but also we are also one of the responsible person. We also have to take the responsibility about the our village and our mandal, our district, our constituency. And who are the influencer, who are the civic person, who are the responsible person, should be say take the one awareness program and give the counseling and guidance, and say about the what is the situation, what we want to do, what we couldn't to do, should be give the awareness program, and should be give the counseling and guidance and awareness to your village people, your village person. This is my humble request to everyone. And government should be take the initiate and won't repeat for try for the won't repeat for. The government hadn't to take the any responsibility. That is why such kind of incident have been continuing. Actually government had to have to take, but hadn't. What we do, the government hasn't to do. That is why the government and home minister and department should be do and won't repeat for give the stringent action to who are the culprit, who involving such type of incident and occurrence. This is my demand, and as same time request to government and department. And once again I am sending my condolence to victim and victim family members, and I am expressing my regret to their family member. This is the today our issue, friends. Thank you everyone. Jai Bhim. Really I am saying, everyone, the girls are women and girls, all are, and the all are who are the people, all are won't don't believe the others. They are our family members also can do such type of, we cannot believe anyone, yeah, everyone. That is why, the everyone should be you care about yourself, and should be aware such type of incident. First of all knew about the what she. This is my message, friend. Thank you. Jai Bhim. Jai Bhim, friends.